is to tie your plants. This is an avocado plant. It's tied up over here. Plus, I tie my lemon plant over here. This is tied by this, so it's not going nowhere because the rail is sturdy. You know, it's not going nowhere. That's bolted in to the house. So, you know, this way, you hope it doesn't break. But if it breaks on the top, you're still gonna get leaves later on. So that's a good thing. Then you got this part. I never undone it. It's tied up over there. It's tied up over here. Over here, I don't know if I should tie it up because it usually holds. And since over here is not that, it doesn't get that windy as you know, right in front of the house, because I'm surrounded by house. I'm surrounded by a wall over there, and I'm surrounded on my left side by plants. So, you know, I'm saved on that side. So this, I just tied it all up except this one, but I tied them all up. And well, I hope the fruits don't fall. It has lots of, you know, fruits to come out. But this is also, you know, it has a lot of aeration. I didn't chop it up like I did with Irma. You know, I should have chopped it up, but I was too busy, you know, picking up water and doing other things, washing clothes. Oh, the washing machine. You fill that up with water after you wash clothes. You fill it up with clean water. Good for toilets. Yeah. And basically that's what I've done. I just tied up that one, and I'm going to show you. Also, I have this. This is soursop plant. When the winter came, I chopped it all up, and now it's all full of leaves again. It's a beautiful plant. And this one I'm gonna leave these here because the reason is, if it flies, it's not gonna get nowhere because I'm locked up with rails, and the door is gonna be closed. So I don't think so that they're gonna move from there because, like I said, the wind is not that heavy over here, you know. So, and this I'm also gonna leave it here. This is very heavy and it's very low also, but I might tie it around like I did the other time. Let me see what I do with this one. And I gotta pick some stuff that I found around. Okay, and the last thing. Okay, last but not least, sorry for the lighting, but the little plants, I did bring them in, as you can see there and up there. These are the only plants I brought inside because they're small, because it has water in it. So now I'm going to check which one needs water, because they're not going to get from outside water, so I'm going to water them myself. So this is all for now. God bless you all. Until next time.